So while I do say majority of the time Mondays should be left alone, when should you trade Mondays? Ooh, we're getting to the nitty gritty, are we? Well, if we have a news driver like non-farm payroll Friday, and we don't have a holiday, unlike this particular week here, we just celebrated the Independence Day in the United States this Tuesday, the past Tuesday. And that can create rather lackluster events in the beginning of the month. I'm sorry, in the beginning of the week. And that's why I said that the best trades will be on the latter end of this week, even though it's non-farm payroll. Usually the protocol that I teach is non-farm payroll Fridays. You need to be done trading by Wednesday morning session. Take no new positions. If you're new, you do not do any new positions. Now, obviously, you can see I slapped the shit out of the markets this week on both Thursday and Friday. So it's not to say that you can't do it. I'm just stating as a mentor that it's advantageous for you to remove yourself from the potential risk because they can be rather aggressive. And you don't know yourself well enough yet. If you're brand new and less than 6 months experience, you don't know the tendencies that you're going to bring into those volatile days. Because it's real easy to think, I think this is going to tear off and do, 100 pips in the pound dollar. I believe it's going to go 200 handles in the NASDAQ. And I want to be a part of that. It's real easy to talk yourself into that. And left to your own devices, you're going to go in there and do that. And probably going to hurt yourself. And then regret and scar tissue forms. And now you're afraid to take trades. Or you're going to blow the account and then walk away thinking that nobody makes money and ICT is a fraud. So I do it for your protection. Okay. But it's important for you to hear these things from me early on and many times by repetition because see what I'm able to teach in advance, show you before it happens, and then execute with precision. Live executions, folks. I mean, it's what it is. You can't hide it. It's there. And for people that says I can't trade or it doesn't work, show me something better. What did you make on Friday? What did you do? What was your executions? Did you lose money? Did you make money? How much money did you make? I'm having this discussion today because I want to tie up all these loose ends before we get to November because there's a lot of nonsense that's spread around smart money concepts, ICT, me specifically, and what can't be done, what shouldn't be done, what I said, what I didn't say. And Mondays, you should try to trade Mondays on a week like non-farm payroll. When there is no other holiday in the beginning of the week or prior to Wednesday, if there's a holiday in there, refrain from it. Expect more movement in the non-farm payroll event and Thursday ahead of it. Look what happened this week. That is a very specific characteristic of that calendar. If there's ever a holiday, if there's ever a holiday during the week, Wednesday, Tuesday, or Monday of non-farm payroll, Thursday and Friday of that week will be absolutely bonkers. It will be moving around really nice. You'll have a lot of movement. Therefore, you'll have lots of opportunity to go in and find something, especially on a lower time frame chart. There's plenty of setups to be able to do whatever you're looking for. When should you not trade Mondays? You do want to trade Mondays on non-farm payroll Fridays when they're normal. Without a holiday, you do want to trade on Monday and Tuesday and be done by Wednesday. But if there is a holiday, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday of non-farm payroll Fridays, you do not trade on a Monday. Look to trade Thursday and Friday after non-farm payroll release